Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with the internet connection, make sure that you've got one, and then we can enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find software update. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on download and install. And as you can see, your device will check for the updates. That's why we need the internet connection. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date. So as you can see, your device will of course inform you about the update information, which software you've got currently applied. And the second scenario which you can meet is that there's a software update basically available for you. So your device will show you the information about the new update, what has been fixed, for example, or added, and then you will be able to tap on the option to download or install, something like that. But basically you will be able to download and apply it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.